Hi, this is Abhilash Kondodi. I work as a DLP engineer with a US bank. We have about 50,000 plus employees, an assistant vice president there. Uh, I basically manage the data loss prevention tool and the configurations and deployments, all those things. We work across globe in multiple regions. And also we work on multiple different kind of tools as well. One of them being Splunk. We leverage Splunk quite heavily to look into supporting our DLP functions by creating some SPLs for our DLP operations team. We also create some dashboards, some reports that's required, which where Splunk is the single point of connection where we are able to send all the logs across, and we are able to use the data as we need and as we see fit. From a DLP standpoint, we do look into if you're going to go ahead and enable some kind of blocking, we would want to make sure that we are looking into what's happening there, how many people would be affected. So Splunk gives us access to that data. The DLP platforms themselves give the data as well, but because Splunk has much more integrations with a lot of other different inputs coming from identity, coming from asset management, coming from various different functions within the business, it becomes like a single point where it helps us find all the information in one place. I would say mainly it's supporting what's going on and any kind of production changes that we make. It helps us to be sure of if we are going to break the business or not. And that's one of the use cases from a DLP engineer standpoint. But from an investigations area, from an operations and investigations area, you can look into all the other activities that were being done by X person. What were they doing? Did they send certain emails? What kind of data do they have in the folders? Like, there are multiple things that you can look into depending on all the logs that we have. So we have logs coming in from data at rest channels, data in motion channels, and all of this combined kind of helps quite a lot with insider threat and data loss prevention angles. Yes, definitely. So any new tooling, anything that we are bringing in, adding that data set always helps to have much more richer data, and different integrations definitely help us to find the right context of what's happening with any threat analysis or insider threat analysis, all those areas.